Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 8 and today I will show you how to format the SD card. So to get started you want to open up settings and then scroll down to storage, so right here, and then scroll down to see your SD card right here, and below it you will find erase SD card. Stop on that, it will give you a message that performing this will remove all the content of it, so if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it permanently. Or, well, if you don't care, you can always now back it up if you want to remove everything from there. So tap on Format SD card and the process will begin. It's a fairly quick one, only takes several seconds. And once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used as it is right now. Tap on Done and you're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.